The Tamaqua School District in Schuylkill County flat out rejected the state's school mask mandate, but not anymore. The district has reversed course.
Yeah, that's after the state education secretary spelled out what that decision would cost them. Dennis Owens reports from a state Senate hearing today on masks and kids.
The state sent this letter to Tamaqua and others saying the mask order is not optional. Schools could be sued, administrators held personally responsible for not enforcing. It's gotten ugly.
This statewide mandate has sown distrust in our community that I fear will have long-term impacts. Our parents are fighting for what they believe is best for their children. Our teachers are forced to play mask police.
Superintendents say they're caught between angry parents and that state order.
In the span of one day, I was informed that I could be arrested if I followed the order and if I didn't follow the order.
Daycare say they're also being told to make sure those 2-year-olds are properly masked or else.
Honestly, this is no longer about masks. It's simple. It's about control. Who has it? Not the parent.
But the Department of Health would argue the virus is dictating policy. On June 27th, there were just 82 cases in Pennsylvania. By Thursday, it was more than 5,000. Everyone hates face coverings, but they beat the alternatives, many say.
Masks certainly seem to be more preferable and far less harmful to learning than shutting down in person and going back to 100% remote.
Superintendents say the Department of Health is not answering their specific questions about policy and enforcement, and many parents aren't buying in.
Trusting the information today. So we need to start to rebuild that trust.
Let's be honest, our community was divided long before this masking order, and it's been really rough on everybody.
Instead of the fight over covering kids' faces, it might be smarter to cover their eyes.
Instead of being supported, we are being blamed and threatened from all sides.
Citing the fact that they're being sued by lawmakers over the mask mandate, the Department of Health and Department of Education chose not to participate in the hearing. In Harrisburg, Dennis Owens, ABC 27 News.